Okay, we are going to do news and nonsense. I got the recorder running, so let's do it for this Saturday. It is the weekend. Of course, you know what that means. It's time to drink wine. Well, I already drank it. But
you already drank your half.
I drank 3 glasses. If I drink another one, it's going to be not news and nonsense, but news and nonsense. Okay, first news nonsense. I want this car.
Yeah.
Mechanic customizes car to shoot flames from headlights. Hell yeah. All those stupid drivers, take this. Okay. Yeah, there's a video of it. Search it on. It's called, clever, it's called Hot Rod.
Hot Rod.
It's on YouTube. Check it out. He shoots flames.
That is hilarious.
Oh, that next James Bond film? You got to put this car in there. I don't know what kind of car it is, but talk about a hot car. Haha. Anyway, yeah, it's all real. This is from yesterday.
That's hilarious.
A car fan builds a flamethrowing. Anyway, check out that news item. It's all real. But yeah, flames from headlights. So, but maybe he had trouble seeing it at night, so he needed more, more light. Okay. Well, speaking of cars, there's talk of a crossover movie franchise. The Fast and the Furious. They did number 9, I think. Well, there's talk of Fast and the Furious and Jurassic Park.
No.
You know what? This sounds comedic, and if that's their goal, but I have a vision of the T-Rex chewing on the, the Ford whatever Mustang, spits it down. The guy says, "Man, I should have got a Toyota," but no. I'm just saying that there's talk about it. It's one of those things where it is so stupid. I would go see it just to see what did they have in mind. It's just a thought, but yeah. I would probably pay to see that. Let's see. What else do I have here? Somebody named Molly Schuler. You know those food eating contests. They have hot dog. How much can you scarf down? Well, I guess they have burger contests. She ate 34 burgers in 10 minutes.
Oh.
And then she went straight to use the Steam Deck after that. It's a family show. 34 burgers in 10.
Word.
Okay.
34
burgers at a place called Z Burger.
What the heck?
That's like a burger every 20 seconds.
30. Now look.
Good grief.
The one time I did not have lunch, I had breakfast, went straight to I ate 2 Whoppers. But that's not 34 Whoppers.
Jeepers creepers, somebody was hungry.
She would definitely have to use a smart toilet after that. Man, my 34 burgers. Okay, here's another one. Scientists. I'm still thinking of that this cute girl. I'm assuming she's just scarfing these. Anyway.
Oh, you just never mind. You just can't eat.
I can
well, if you want to say something funny, that's not. I have to delete it later. But what's the joke?
Oh,
That's funny. Now you guys on YouTube have no idea what we're laughing at, so you got to join us, okay? Well, speaking of food, scientists. This is from Live Science, by the way, .com or .org. Scientists convert plastic waste into vanilla flavoring. Why?
Ooh.
You've heard their expression. You try something, man, this tastes like plastic. Yes, thank you. No, but yeah, why would you want to do that?
I don't know why somebody would eat that much. That is just sad.
It's one of those things where it sounds cool, but it sounds icky at the same time.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a word I haven't used in years.
I may have a fast metabolism, but not that fast.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Anyway, and I did a live show right before we're doing the private chat here, but one of the airlines, I mentioned if you caught it, but they had to take an unruly passenger and duct tape him to his seat for the rest of the flight. I guess his seatbelt broke. No. But
oh, God.
I guess he was trying to grope a flight attendant or other stuff. And I guess it got so bad that there's a video or picture of him being literally taped to his seat. So I thought, thank you for flying so-and-so airlines. You'll always stick with us. On that note, we're going to wrap this up for this news and nonsense. We will continue on the private chat. Sorry you're not here. Ha. No, just kidding. But anyway, join us. Join us, support the channel, and you're automatically invited. How does that sound? What a deal. All right, we'll catch you next time.
Woo. All right.